how we can create this water that emulsifies oil better than any other, ionized water. I wanted to show you exactly what we do. So when you're at home, every time you're gonna eat produce, let it soak. The thicker the skin, let it soak longer. The thinner skin, you can soak it shorter. We want you to buy organic, buy as local as you can, which is harder. Like you saw in our little video today of how living in Southern California, people I'm so grateful, can give us fresh produce off their trees. We can go to farmers markets year round, and it's exciting. So let's say that you can't buy organic, you can't find it anywhere. Please, even if it's organic or not, wash it with Kangen water. Even if you're washing produce with a super expensive ionized water, it's always best washing with a strong alkaline, strong Kangen water. Here's the difference. These are some Nature's Sweet tomatoes. Some of you know how sweet they are. They're not organic. So what we do is, I want to show you that when these are washed with the ionized alkaline water that cannot emulsify oil, okay? And these are washed just briefly with 11.5 strong Kangen water. And I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's the water that can emulsify oil. And maybe I'll hold this up so you can see it better, but look at the difference. I can see it from here. There are, and you can taste a difference, there are oil-based pesticides, even sometimes on organic produce. You guys, you will want to be eating these. They're so delicious when they're organic, or if they're not organic, washed with 11.5. Taste the difference, you're gonna love it. So sweet. Your salsa, your food will taste so much better. When we do these taste tests, people spit the ones out that were washed with water that didn't break up the oil-based pesticides. I'm gonna go get a glass of water. See you guys.